after experiencing a stuck loading screen in GTA 5, follow these steps to help resolve the issue. This guide will walk you through the calibration process to get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that both your game and console or PC are updated to the latest version. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues and loading problems. Step 3. Clear cache. For console players, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the GameOS installation folder and deleting temporary files. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're on PC, use the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling GTA 5. This can fix deeper issues that might be causing the loading screen to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue and enjoy your gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums for further assistance.